Welcome to PCWizKid's Weekly Answer Back, episode number 30. Today we're doing some more answers on your questions. First one is about my giveaways. When is the next one? Well, I've got two planned. One of them is coming up at the end of this month. It's an NZXT PC hardware review that I've done earlier. I'm going to give away one of the cases and some more items from NZXT. And then after that, in November, I'll be doing more giveaways to the world on all kinds of other neat stuff. Question 2. How can you make your video card run faster? Well, you can try overclocking it, okay, and I usually do that. And you can try upgrading the drivers or lowering your video settings, one of the three. If you overclock, obviously, the MSI Afterburner is one of the simplest utilities that you can download that supports both NVIDIA and ATI or AMD video cards, and you can adjust the sliders there depending on the video card that you have. And you'll be able to overclock it a little bit, and that's what I suggest you do, is just overclock it a tiny bit, and don't forget to increase the fan speed all the way up to at least 50%. You don't want to blow your card and ruin it, so make sure you keep it as cool as possible. Now, if you don't want to overclock it, just make sure you at least update your drivers and tweak your drivers. I've done a video review already, a tutorial on tweaking your video drivers, so check that out. Question 3 is about when you applied the mouse cursors, you rebooted, and then it went back to the old mouse cursors, so it didn't keep the new ones like mine, for example. See how I have mine here set? Well, that's because you have checked off allow themes to change mouse pointers. Make sure you don't have that checked, and then you're fine, okay? Now, another question is about the Ubuntu 10.10 that just came out earlier in October, just 2 weeks ago, really. Well, I already have it installed. I have the 64-bit desktop edition. I've been running tests on it. There's some new features. A lot of the features are just improved upon existing ones. It's definitely faster, I'll give you that, okay? And I'll cover it in a series of video tutorials and reviews very, very soon, okay? So stay tuned for my Ubuntu. I love open source software, and definitely Ubuntu is one of them, and I'm gonna definitely show you guys what's new in this 10.10 release, okay? Another question I've been getting is question about surface area. When you apply thermal paste, how much? Just a pea size? Well, I found out that if you apply a very, very thin layer all around the entire square area of the CPU, I get the best results, okay? So make sure you do that. Now, question 6 is about the new AMD HD 6800 series. Well, of course, I'll be reviewing that. This second generation card has many improvements, okay, from the Sapphire version that I have here is the one that I'm reviewing, and I'll come out with a review very soon for you guys. Now, another question I've been getting is about you have a Blu-ray player and it's not showing 1080p, basically. You're getting 720p. Well, that's probably because your display is not supporting 1080p, which is the true HD output that you could get from a Blu-ray. Maybe it only accepts up to 1080i or 720p, and that's why you're only getting up to that. So just because you have an HD screen, an HD display, it doesn't mean that your display supports up to 1080p, okay? And that's what you have to have in order to see it super crisp and clear, okay? So keep your questions coming, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.